Hey guys, now we are here still in Chinatown, San Francisco, and behind me is the Fortune Cookie Factory. Let's go inside and see how they made those fortune cookies. In a narrow alley in San Francisco Chinatown, the scent of sugar and vanilla lingers as workers quickly fold warm cookies around tiny fortunes. This is the story of the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory and the surprising origin of the fortune cookie. Since 1962, the factory has quietly carried on a tradition that feels almost frozen in time. Unlike massive industrial bakeries, this small family-run shop still relies on hand-folding techniques passed down through generations. The rhythm is hypnotic. Pour, bake, lift, fold, each cookie shaped in seconds before it hardens. Visitors don't just buy cookies here, they witness a craft. A factory produces thousands of cookies daily, yet every single one still bears the mark of human hands. Now the cookies are baked fresh on a copper slow-release heat rotating griddle wheel. They are then gently twisted into the famous fortune cookie shape as the message is carefully placed inside. As the story unfolds, a surprising twist emerges. The fortune cookie, so closely associated with Chinese restaurants, did not originate in China. Most historians trace its roots to early 20th century California, with strong ties to Japanese-American communities. In fact, similar cookies called hagiwara senbei were made in Japan long before they appeared in the US. One often cited figure in this origin story is Makoto Hagiwara, the caretaker of Japanese tea garden. Around the early 1900s, he is believed to have served fortune-style cookies to visitors, complete with hidden messages. The turning point came during World War II, as Japanese Americans were forcibly sent to internment camps. Many of their businesses disappeared overnight. Chinese American entrepreneurs stepped in, adopting and expanding the production of fortune cookies. What began as a niche treat evolved into a staple of Chinese American dining. Factories like the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory became part of the transformation, helping redefine the cookie's identity. By the mid-20th century, fortune cookies has spread across the United States, becoming a familiar ending to meals in Chinese restaurants. Their messages, sometimes wise, sometimes whimsical, became part of the dining experience. Compared to larger companies like Wonton Food Incorporated, which now mass-produce millions of cookies daily using automated systems, the Golden Gate Factory remains intentionally small. That contrast is striking. Mass producers focus on scale, uniformity, and global distribution. The Golden Gate Factory focuses on craftsmanship, tradition, and experience. In a world of automation, it offers something rare: authenticity. In addition to the traditional vanilla-flavored cookies, there are others such as chocolate, strawberry, green tea, and glazed cookies. In June 8, 2018, it was officially declared as Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Company Day in San Francisco. And in 2016, the factory was officially named a San Francisco Legendary Business. Today, the factory stands not just as a business, but as a living piece of San Francisco history, recognized as a legacy business. It represents the layered story of immigration, adaptation, and cultural blending. The fortune cookie became more than a dessert. It's a symbol of Japanese innovation, Chinese-American entrepreneurship, and California's multicultural identity. So guys, we bought some stuff from the fortune cookie factory, and I hope you enjoy our quick tour around the factory, and hopefully you guys visit this place. Okay, until next time, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye! If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe!
Please comment.
And don't forget to share!